seen glass skin on Pinterest? Glowy, clear, poreless. But here's the truth, it's not just about good products. It's about layering glow, like building satin onto skin. So let me walk you through the exact ritual to get that glowing, light-reflecting skin at home. No filters, no facials, no $1,000 routines. Just you. And this quiet little glow up. Phase 1. Prep the canvas. Before any glow can show, the canvas needs to feel clean, soft, and alive. Step 1. Cloud Cleanse Ritual. Start with a cleanser that feels like clouds. Something whipped, airy, not stripping. Massage it in slow, upward circles. Focus around the nose, chin, and jaw. Let the water rinse away dullness. Pat your skin gently, never dry it out completely. Leave it damp. That's your first glow. Step 2. Glass Glow Mist Layering. Here's the difference between normal skin and glass skin. Water layering. Don't stop at one spritz. Mist once. Pat. Mist again. Pat again. Let your skin drink it in. Use rose water with a few drops of glycerin and aloe juice. Think of it like prepping a sponge. The more hydrated, the more bounce. Phase 2. Build the glow layers. Step 3. Jelly Skin Potion. Apply hyaluronic acid on damp skin. Seal it with a mist before you go in with niacinamide. This isn't random, it's called skin sandwiching. Hydration, seal, clarity. That's how you get bounce plus brightness together. Step 4. Light Lock Balm. After moisturizing, tap a small amount of glow serum or jelly balm only on high points. Cheekbones, brow bone, tip of the nose. This creates that soft focus light effect. Not shiny, just lit from within, the kind that makes people look twice. Step 5. Glow Sealing Cream. Choose a moisturizer that feels like sorbet, light, cool, and melt on skin. Not heavy, not matte, and definitely not powdery. Pro tip: if your skin isn't oily, mix 1 drop of facial oil into your moisturizer. Warm it between your palms. Then press it in. It seals in all the layers and gives that dreamy, buttery glow. You can choose according to your skin type. Step 6. SPF Veil. In the morning, always protect your glow and never skip your sunscreen. But choose one with a dewy finish. Gel-based. No white cast. No chalk. Just a sheer, soft reflecting veil. Tap a little on the high points of makeup. Instant gleam. Phase 3. Weekly Mirror Skin Ritual. Step 1. Milky Rice Facial once or twice a week. After this step, your skin looks like it's soaked in moonlight. You just have to trust. Mix 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 teaspoon milk, and half a teaspoon honey. Apply and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Then rinse slowly, massaging in soft, circular motions. The glow, immediate. The softness, unreal. Your face will feel smooth like porcelain, but alive. Step 2. Green tea icing. Brew pure green tea and freeze it into cubes. At night, after cleansing, take 1 cube and glide it gently over your skin. It cools. It calms. It tightens, almost like it's hugging your pores into stillness. No stinging. No fuss. Just that chilled glass look. Like you just stepped out of a dream. This is your laser girl trick for glass skin. No 10-step routine required. Phase 4. Circulation Glow Hack. Glow isn't always about what you apply. Sometimes, It's about what you move. After layering your skincare, take just 3 minutes to touch your skin with intention. Not to fix it, but to wake it up. The massage ritual. Press gently under your cheekbones. Stroke upward toward the temples. Tap softly along your jawline. Glide upward along your neck with your fingertips. Use just 1 drop of facial oil, something light, silky, like squalane or rosehip. You're not rubbing. You're guiding energy. You're waking up the blood flow beneath your skin. This is what makes your cheeks glow. Without blush. Without highlight. Just circulation and softness. And then one morning, without trying, you'll look in the mirror. And the glow will already be there.
Phase 5. Inside Out Glow Fuel. Skincare starts on the surface. But radiance, that begins within. Every layer you apply, every serum, every cream, works better when your body is hydrated, nourished, and in balance. And that's where this internal glow ritual steps in. We're not sipping basic green juice. We're crafting a soft, skin-loving elixir, designed to hydrate your cells, reduce puffiness, and feed your glow from the inside out. Glow Elixir drink, morning or night. Here's what you'll need: chia seeds, coconut water, rose water, lemon. In a clear glass, combine 1 teaspoon soaked chia seeds for omega-3s and skin-plumping hydration. ½ cup coconut water rich in electrolytes for a dewy glow. 1/4 teaspoon rose water, calming, cooling, and beautifying. A thin slice of lemon to brighten and gently balance. Let it sit a few minutes so the chia blooms. Then sip slowly like a mini spa moment in a glass. It's not a detox. It's a glow infusion. You'll feel it. The puffiness, softer. The cheeks, naturally flushed. And somehow, you just feel clearer. Because it's not about control. It's about care. Gentle. Consistent. Beautiful care. Glass skin doesn't just come from jars. It comes from how you nourish your body even in the quietest moments. Bonus night ritual, Moonlight Slugging. If your skin isn't acne-prone, this is the final lock. After all your skincare, apply a pearl-sized dab of balm or Vaseline. Only on your glow zones, cheekbones, brow bone, tip of the nose. You don't wake up oily. You wake up radiant. This isn't a one-night glow hack. It's a soft ritual, a lifestyle, something you do for your skin, and for yourself. If this routine made sense to your skin and soul, subscribe, like, and share with someone who's ready to glow too. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.